Hi everybody, and welcome to a weekend in my life. It is currently 9:30 a.m. on Saturday, and right now I'm on my way to work. For those of you who don't know, I work at a boutique in a super cute town that's like close to my hometown. So I'm going there right now. I'm only working 10 to like 2 today because I'm going to leave and head to my brother's 18th birthday dinner, which is gonna be super fun. We're getting Italian food at this super nice Italian restaurant that's like 30 minutes away from my house. So it'll be super fun, super fresh, super swag, super dope, yeah. But anyway, after we get dinner at Three Joe's, then I'm gonna go home, get ready, because me and my girlies, we're going to a winery that's like near my house, and I've never been before. But I'm probably gonna get like a flight because you can get like 4 or 5 different wines at the same time, and then, you know, just try them. You probably know what a flight is, so I don't know why I had to describe what that was. But I've never done like a wine tasting thing like that, and I've never been to a winery before. And I already have my Instagram caption picked out, so stay tuned for that. Literally, I'm gonna try to put my Instagram right here. I put so much work and effort into my Instagram, you guys, so really just go give it a follow, because you are going to be absolutely shocked when you see the amount of effort that goes into each of my posts. And you're probably going to drop your pants on the floor after you see the caption that I use for my Instagram post. So just saying, go give me a follow. Thank you.
I see murder that. No limit, baby. Yeah, that ghetto D girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me.
Hey guys, I am officially off work, and it's my weekend, babe. It's like 2:30 right now. Got off work, came straight to the gas station to get one of my favorite Celsiuses, literally ever, the Tropical Vibe, babe, so good. Then I picked up some Ondas. If you're of legal age, try these. It's tequila seltzer, okay? It's a bit different. It's not your typical seltzer. And I like it because it's not super seltzery, and Shay Mitchell helped create it, and I absolutely love Shay Mitchell, so big fan. Also, work haul. My boss she gave me this hoodie that I've been wanting for free because she loves me. So yeah, super good mood, super happy about it. Now we're on our way to my brother's 18th birthday dinner. We're having Italian. Sounds literally so good. It's so chilly out today, and I just need some Italian food. I'll tell you that right now. So let's go.
Yeah. Yeah. No limit. Got that masterpiece. No limit, baby.
Hey y'all. So just got back from the Italian feast that I just ate. Got garlic bread with cheesy breadsticks, so freaking good. And I got fettuccine alfredo with shrimp, babe, and it was so good. And a side salad. 10 out of 10, recommend. Please ignore the pile of clothes that I have to put away.
And let me show you better than just a name. You be my soldier. Cost on the climb, baby, the cost on the climb. Baby, we shine, baby, we shine. Good mama, we shine. No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. I'm currently on my way home right now. had an incredible night last night. It was so good seeing everybody because 3 of my friends that go to college were home for the weekend. And yeah, it was so much fun. It was so good seeing everybody. We had such a good time. Went to the winery, like in our town. So much fun. I want to go back again. We had a blast. It was lovely. They had live music. It was awesome. Got a bottle of wine to go because I got this rosé there and I absolutely loved it. I'm a huge rosé person. So I was like, loved it so much. So I was like, okay, I'll purchase one for my house. So I did. But yeah, after we were done with the winery, Caitlin's brother picked us up. He took us to Domino's. We ordered Domino's, ate some pizza. Then after we ate pizza, we went to our hometown bar, which was really fun. We played darts. It was a good time. After we were all done with our darts, we went back to Caitlin's house, finished our pizza, hung out, and then started watching a scary movie. Didn't finish it though because we all got too tired, but it was so much fun. Then of course this morning we sat down together. We had a lovely breakfast. Caitlin's mom made us sausage gravy. It was so good. And then we also had mango orange juice. I will be repurchasing that because it was amazing. But yeah, the rest of my Sunday is going to consist of a shower, cleaning my room, probably making some sort of dip, and then watching football for the rest of the day because that's literally my Sunday routine, is putting on comfy coats, watching football with my family, and hopefully watching the Browns win their game